Hi, welcome back to Hostbox channel and back to the tutorial for operating system. Today we're going to see the topic called MRU, most recently used page replacement algorithm. The previous session explained LRU, this LRU algorithm with example. Please kindly check the playlist when you are out. Let's go for session today. We are going to see the algorithm is a very simple and easy example. I hope that this session definitely helpful for who want to crack the exams like UGC, NET and GATE and who want to get the fundamental of operating system. So use a marker. Let's assume that there will be a page. There will be a page frame here. Okay, so let's assume that there will be a page frame. It consists of 4 frames: frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4. And if we have reference string like 7 followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 3, 0, 4, 2, 3, 0, and so on. Let's you will go see how we will work out here, how it works. So most recently used means what here? Replace the most recently used page in past. Used page in past. So nearby, which one is recently used, that we have to replace. Let's see the example now. So let's assume that the initially the frame is empty. This page is empty. Main memory is empty. So we are going to insert the elements one by one. So what is the first initially empty? So I am inserting 7. This is page fault because whatever the whenever such the element, it's not whenever such is the reference string, it's not available means that is called page fault. It's available means that is called page hit. So this page fault. Then what is the element is a 0. I'm inserting 0, and again I have one more replace. So 4 places I can insert 1, 7 followed by 0, 1, and again 2. I can replace with the 2. 7, 0, 1, 2. Now what is that means? Now I have to insert 0 here. But luckily what I'm looking here, 0 here, no, this 0 already present here, so we can say this example for hit. So I'm writing 2. Sorry, I'm writing. I use the pointer here, right? So I'm writing 2, then 1, 1, 0, 7. So this hit. Again repeating, whenever such the referencing, it by default available in the main memory means that is called page hit, otherwise page fault. So then I have to see, I have to insert 3, there is no place. Which I have to replace means I can replace 0. This is the nearest recently replace, mostly recent 0. So I'm replacing 0 with a 3. So 7 will be there, and 0 replaced by 3, then 1, 2 will be there. Now again I have, what is that means 0 is there. So again I have to insert 0. So which I can replace in nearby places 3. So I can replace 3. So 7 will be there. 3 replaced by 0, and 1 and 2 will be by default. This is also page fault. This is also page fault. And again I have to insert the 4 now. So which I will replace me, it's 0. Nearby most recent is 0. So 7 is there. Instead of 0 I'm substituting 4 here, and followed by 1, 2 is there. And again what is that? 2, 2, 1, 4, 7 is there, no? This, now what I have to insert 2, but luckily the 2 is here. I'm using the point option here. So here color changing. Here what is that means, what is here 2 is there. So already 2 is here. So 2147. So 2147 is the example of hit now. This is the best example of hit, page hit now. Now what is it? Now again what I do is I insert 3 now. So where can I recently used bit is 2. So I can replace 2 with 3. So 3 followed by 147. This is also page fault. Again what I have to insert 3 here, 0 here. So again most recently bit is 3. So 0 will be replaced. So 3 instead of 3 I am substituting 0 here. Then followed by 147. This is also page fault. What is the next element? 3. So again 0 will be replaced with 3. So 2 is there. So again now what I do, 3 is there. So 3 by default is there. Like that will be there. And simultaneously we can continue like this only. Let's come here 2147. Again I can insert a 1. So 1 is already present. So 2147. This is the best thing for hit here now. We got already what was searching. The reference string will be available here. Again 2 is there. So 2, again 2 is there. Then followed by 147. This is also example of hit only. Then 0. So I can insert 0 and replace the 2. Instead of 2 I am replacing 0 here. 0 followed by 147. Then 0, 147. This is the best example hit here. Again repeating. Again what is I have insert 2. Luckily 7 available. So no need to any changes. So this also example hit. And 0, 147. Again 0 is asking. So 0 already by default here. So no need. So this also example 0 here. At last 1 is there. So 1 also by default here. So 0, 147. No need to do anything. We don't need to change the most recent bit here. So these are examples for the hit. So overall LRU work like the nearby bit, which is the most recently User 1 you can replace here. So how many it is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 page it is 8. Number of page it is 8. Remaining are page fault here. When like 4, 3, 7, 11, 12 is there. So if you want, you can conclude with the 1. So these are about the most recently. So that means so replace the most recently used page in the past. So simple and easy. If you have queries or any suggestions, please kindly comment with following social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.